So to get started, let's install JMeter, Apache JMeter on our devices. So we generally, the only requisite that we have is that we have a Java installed, or a Java development kit JDK installed. So if you can check if your version already, if your laptop already has a Java version. If it does not, then if you're using a Linux kernel, then it is just running this code. So it will install you the latest JDK. First, let's update. Then we'll install JDK. Once installing JDK, then we are going to install the JMeter package. Installing JMeter is also, we can do it manually as well as on terminal. This installation process is done only on Linux. So if you have any other operating systems like Mac OS and Windows, then I'm sure you'll get very good documentation like you will get very good documentation on other YouTube channels, as well as any Geeks for Geeks and other places. So to do that, so let's check it again. So yeah, we can use default JDK, or we can go with 13. I think 13 is a better version. So let's paste this. Let me fast forward the installation process for you. So we have installed the Java JDK, and I have refreshed the terminal. So let's try again. Java / version. So you can see it is 14. I changed it, like 13 is, like 14 is a better one, so I changed it to 14. Once Java is installed, then all you need to install is JMeter package, that you can find it in their like they have their official website. I'll put the official website link in the comment section, so you can in the description, so you can download it from there. So now I'll go to that website. Yeah, this is the website. So search based on what you want. I'm going to go with the 5.63. Since I'm using Linux, I use TGX than zip. But yeah, it's better you can install both of them. They're not a very big package. They're like 80 MB, 90 MB. So once they are installed, unzip them and open the packages. Once the installation is completed, unzip the packages and open the unzip package. Then go to the file and then go to label. Then you can see a bit of here, but go to bin, and in bin type either /jmeter or source.jmeter. Like if this doesn't work, then type source.jmeter, source space .jmeter. That will start the UI or the GUI of JMeter. So this is the installation. There is no proper installation for JMeter. It's just the UI. So and after each process, like after each testing, you can save it in a JMX file. That is I'll teach you in the next video what they mean and what this dashboard means. So this is all about installation of JMX in Ubuntu. It is a very fairly simple process. All you need is a Java version or a JDK, and you just need to install the zip file from their official website and unzip it, and you can open the JMeter file and executable file, and you will have the UI ready for you. So from the next video, we are going to learn about each component in this UI, and get to know what each component does, and why JMeter is used for testing. So thank you. Do well, be happy. Thank you.